Hey gang, Vince here. Vince's Wood and Wonders. Thanks so much for stopping into the shop. We've got a cool 59 degrees today. Tomorrow we hit a high of 70, but watch this. We also have winds up to 70 miles an hour tomorrow. And then tomorrow night, we get treated with thunderstorms. Yes, 70 degrees to thunderstorms because Monday we get a surprise. And that is we have snow flurries when we wake up. People ask me, hey, why do you always talk about the weather? Well, listen to what I'm saying here. I mean, we're going from 70s down to snow flurries in like 15 hours. Bro, please help me. It's crazy. Hey, listen, we've got new gear day today. I want to tell you a story. I bought this Jet Mini Lathe. It was the first lathe I bought. It's been a workhorse. I mean, I just love this lathe to death. I never would I part with it. And with that said, all original parts, as you can see, this is still the original tool rest. And also, this is the very original, I guess, Live Center that came with it. And I mean, it still works, but it seems to be tired. And when I say tired, I mean, this is kind of a friction fit type of setting. And it just doesn't, it sits on there. And, but it just seems to be a little bit tired. So with all that said, I made the executive decision to go ahead and give this lathe a little love by getting a Oneway number 2 Morris Taper Live Center set, complete setup. This is the Live Center, which is going to replace this unit, and I think it's going to be perfect. It's going to allow me to do a lot of things on this little lathe that I have not been able to do, such as better setup or center a bowl, a small bowl when I'm turning. So let's take a quick look inside the box. See what all we're talking about here. First off, we get Oneway's patented Live Center. You know, there are a lot of companies, and I mean a lot of popular companies, that have produced products that look very, very similar to this, and it's for a reason. Yeah. So anyway, this Live Center has just been a staple throughout the wood turning community for as long as I've been turning, and for good reason. I mean, it's just a workhorse. The bearings are enclosed, they're encased, you don't have problems. I mean, I've had the same number 3 Morris Taper Live Center for over 20 years without any issues. So this is going to sit right in there. In addition to that, we have our trusty instructions. We have our large cone, which can be mounted one of 2 ways. Maybe. Let me get this. There we go. This can screw on like this to better hold maybe a bowl or whatever piece that you're working on, as well as you can flip it around, use the smaller end. Very useful, multiple applications. We also have our small cone that simply screws on, fits. We've got our knockout rod here, as well as our fine tip little piece. No, I'm not taking it out of the bag because, like so many people, you will lose these little things. They have a tendency to they go right to your shavings and you'll never see them again. I just had to order a buddy of mine 3 of these. I don't know that he needed 3, but I think he was thinking ahead based off of his previous luck. God love him. Anyway, he should be fixed up now. But yeah, so the Oneway number 2 Morris Taper Live Center, perfect for small mini and midi lathes, I would recommend this. I'll give you more of an update after I've used it for a bit, but this is going to be fantastic. In fact, I'll tell you what, in the description, if you have any interest, you've been thinking about maybe getting one, I will knock off a few bucks. You can look it up on the website. The link will be in the description. Also, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button. You can hit the little bell for notifications, and if you could give us a like, that would be great. Also, within the description, there is a link for our newsletter. If you're not signed up for our newsletter, I don't wear you out with blasting you every day with newsletters, but I do provide information along with coupon codes that you will not get anywhere else. So you'll want to use that coupon code and place it in the checkout on the website. That's the only way that they work. And yeah, if you have any questions, comments, feel free to reach out to me. Vince at Vince's Wood and Wonders. Our toll-free number, 1-877-284-8969. As always, thanks so much for stopping in. I'm really excited about this. This is a long time. I should have done this a long time ago. I don't know what I'm thinking. I guess I'm worried about the weather. Need to get my... Anyway, we'll talk to you soon.